In this video we are going to learn what is the procedure to inspect a volumetric concrete truck at the job site. Please make sure all the safety precautions are met before the job begins. Talk to the driver and make them aware of your intentions for your visit. Ask the discharging boom operator to show you the control box. Verify the current MPQP sticker located on the control box. On this sticker there are 4 items that we need to check. We are going to go over the inspection details of each one of them together. First, verify the mixed design number and expiration date on the sticker. Then record the revolution calibration value. Counts per cubic yard. We are going to use this value later to verify the total delivery quantity of this truck. Then record the rock and sand gate opening values printed on the sticker. Now we are going to physically verify the sand and rock values on each gate. First, check the sand gate. The sticker value is 4.48. Now check the rock gate, based on sticker value of 5.02. Finally, we must check and verify the delivery quantity. This procedure can be done when the truck has delivered all its load. Record the total delivery quantity, indicated on the truck's production counter. This number is revolution counts per cubic yard. Divide this number by the preset value on the sticker. The result should be approximately equal to the number printed on the truck's ticket in cubic yards. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon to receive our future training videos like this one.